Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you an interesting Chrome extension. It's known as YouTube SEO AI. So using this, you can optimize your videos SEO. So for this, you can just come to your YouTube studio. So after coming to YouTube studio, you just click on the videos that you want to do the SEO. So after installing this Chrome extension, you will get this tab like this. So here you should come and set up your API key, which you can easily do it. You can set up either the OpenAI or Gemini one. So Gemini one is free. OpenAI one you can get it after paying or topping up the credits. So after that, you can come to each video. So let's say I have 10 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll show you how easy it is to optimize this video. So as you can see, these videos doesn't have much views, but I will try to increase it using SEO, that is YouTube SEO AI plugin. Okay, so I will go here and click show more so that I can see this part. This is the tags part, so this should be visible for my Chrome extension to populate that. So that's the reason I'm going to each video and expanding it so that gets populated. So if it doesn't get populated, you can come here and click on this option. The option here, it shows the description, title. From here also you can copy it and paste it later on. It also suggests the category of the video that you should post to optimize the reach. Based on the title, it suggests all these things. So let me show you how easy it is to do that for 10 videos. So that's the reason I'm just going here and expanding it for all the 10 videos so that I can show you how you can do the SEO of videos. Okay, so now that it is done, so what I will do is I'll go to the, if you don't see this generate SEO with AI button, you can just refresh your page and it will show up. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll just copy the title. So this is the title that is required. So I'll just copy the title and I'll say generate SEO with AI. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it here and say generate SEO. So now what it will do is it's generating the SEO optimizations. It will generate the title, description, and it will also generate the tags for me. So let's see how it works. Okay, so now it is working in the background. You can even switch to other tabs if you wish. You see, it has already generated it. So it has generated the title. So this is the things covered in the video. This is what people are searching for. And it has also generated the tags that I need. You see these tags? These are all SEO optimized tags. So if it is crossing the limit, then you can just delete whatever you don't want. And it even shows you the category you need to post. So I'm just looking at what is the category it is suggesting. So it is suggesting the category of how to style to. Okay, so based on that, I'll just come here and choose that category. Okay, so then I'm going to say save. So in this way, you have optimized this video. I can show it for a few other videos also, which can be done in parallel. Okay, so now this is the another video. So I'm just going here and just gonna put this here. Now this is the other video. So here I'll just go to that particular video. Okay, so I'm just going to that particular video. Any video I can take it. So this video I'll take it. So here I'll go here and put the title again into that tool, and the tool will generate that optimizations for me. So this is the video. So let me go here and put that for me here. Okay, that is doing for this tab. So let's go back to the previous tab. There it has already done it. So in this way, you can easily generate optimizations.